so disappointed. You guys are not going to believe this. So I have my pots all ready to put the canna rhizomes or bulbs or whatever you call them in them. And this is just for clients, right? I was like, okay, let me go ahead and put some in because people have been asking me in a few weeks they'll be ready to go in the ground. And then I had just pulled this big doozy out of this pot here because I was growing cannas all over the winter. And one of them just kind of like collapsed. It just like fell over. I'm like, what is going on? So I was like, let me just pull the rhizomes out and see what's happening. Then, of course, I thought, well, might as well go ahead and plant all those rhizomes that I dug up and saved last year, right? Okay, wrong. Now here's how those plants, they're tall. I mean, like literally taller than me. Huge, huge, huge. So I can probably go ahead and plant these. But the rhizomes from last year that I did not get to, didn't finish cleaning them off, did not store them properly. Did not store. Look, guys, this would have been a huge plant, and at least at least 5 or 6. But watch this when I pop it. I mean, it's soft and mushy. Look at that. It's gone. I mean, it is gone. 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 I can't even tell you how many plants would have been in here. I can't. I mean, 50, 60. Gone. All of them. Not a single one of any use. They are all just mushy. I thought at least the ones underneath or in between would have stayed a little warm. None of them. Not even the small ones. Look at that. Mush. I can't believe I lost all these plants. Listen, I just, you know what? Hey, I want to keep it real. I thought I might as well just share with people the good, the bad, and the ugly. You have to store these in your basement, somewhere warm. You cannot, here in Illinois, keep these rhizomes for cannas outside. Now, apparently not even in an unheated garage, because that's where I had it. Last year when I had all those, ready to plant, I had kept them downstairs in my furnace room. And so it kept them like, oh my God, you guys, look how big that was. I can't believe, you know what I want to do, but I know it probably won't. I want to just plant them anyway and see what happens. But I'm for sure, watch this, let me pop it. I'm sure there's nothing viable in there. Look at that. Just turned, just waterlogged. Absolutely waterlogged. This is so sad. This is such a sad moment. Oh my gosh, this is such a sad moment for me. Y'all, how did I do that? Now, I just knew. Let me see. That one's soft too. I just knew having them in my garage would not have been that big of big of a deal. You know? I mean, there's a little heater that we have on in there periodically because we keep some of our products out there for the decor company. I just knew it would be okay. But I was wrong. Wow, that is crazy. Lesson learned, y'all. Always put your canna bulbs somewhere nice and warm so they can stay dry, so they don't do this. Oh, it's terrible. That is at least 50 or 60 plants. Gone. Just gone. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lesson learned.